this video I will tell you the easiest way to design any splash screen in Flutter. So let's see how it will look like this. It is animating, and after 5 seconds of delay it will move to the next screen. Second screen. This is my second screen. Here it is. So for that, all you have to need, just import a plugin in the PubSpec YAML. Here it is, animated splash screen. It is available on the pubdev. You can copy it from here. Just import it, pubget, and you can use just inside home. Use this animated splash screen widget. Inside I have used a row. Inside row there is image and text. Let's see once again. This is the image and this is the text, and after 5 seconds of delay it will move to the second screen. So basically this is the animated splash screen widget. It generally takes two things. First is this splash, there it is, this is splash, and next one is this next screen where it will move after presenting this splash screen. So this is the second screen, and this is the splash transition. There are 6 kind of transitions available. I will tell you. Rotation, that was the rotation. Decoration, box type transition. Let's see how it looks like. Yes, this kind of animation. Let's see another one. Slide transition. It will slide from left to right or right to left, I think. Yes, exactly. Let's see another one. Scale transition. From small to big. Okay. Size transition. It will come from the top. Okay. Last but not the least, fade transition. Let's see how it looks like. This is the fade transition, and this one is the background color. You can also manage this background color from here. Suppose from orange, need to change purple accent. Okay, and also I will manage this time. 5 seconds is too large, so I will make it to 3 seconds. Okay, let's go. Yeah, that's fine, working fine. After 5 seconds my second screen is appearing. Okay, now here you can apply several conditions, like when you will be able to use login or register screen, then you can apply several kind of condition here, like if else. If token is present, then you will have to move to the home screen. If token is not present, then login screen will come first after splash screen. So condition will be applied here. Okay, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Hope to see you next time in our next video. Bye for now.